sa Sanctuary of Truth. 500 baht yung binayaran namin. Mahal siya. Nasa 1,000 peso each person. As usual, marami ding mga turista na pumupunta dito para naman makita namin yung mga tourist spot dito sa Thailand.
Yan, maglakad-lakad muna tayo guys. Meron palang binigay na guide dito. Kaya maglakad-lakad tayo. Ayan siya oh. Sanctuary of Truth Museum. Ayan, ang dami palang mga monks dito. Ayan siya oh. Mga monks. Parang nag-ano sila. Nag-film.
Ayan, flag ng Thailand. Ito daw ay simbolo ng king. Ayan, marami din namang mga restaurants dito guys. Kaya kapag nagugutom kayo, pwede kayong kumain dito. Dahil nakakauhaw at nakakagutom talaga maglakad-lakad.
Thank you for watching everyone. So Russia, please come this way everyone.
Knowledge scholars from the past they create a lasting peace. This is the real goal which the great science of man wants to achieve. The precious words from Kulek and Kundukai Duriatan, the creator of contemporary architecture named
Ito meron siyang souvenir shop.
Hello everyone, I hope you are all well today and welcome to the Century of Film Museum where we can discover the world peace through the arts. Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone for choosing Century of Film Museum.
Pila pala tayo guys dito sa mga ano. Ito yung mga tourist na meron siyang tourist guide na nakatranslate na ng English. Kaya dito tayo nag-group sasama.
Yeah.
Kapag na pala kami German. Nandito na kami sa Thailand. Papunta na tayo ng Sanctuary of Truth Temple. Nakasabayan namin iba-ibang lahi. Thank you.
Please follow with the tour first because we're gonna give you direction, information, and the purpose why we built this museum. People who left good things into this world, even though they left into this world hundreds of years, but their goodness and philosophies of life still impact many of us nowadays. First good example there, that is Avalokiteshvara Sevara. And over there, diba? That is the Manchestry. They are the great example of people who overcome from negative emotions such as anger, greed, and hatred. Next one there is Lao Tzu. He is the ancient Chinese philosopher and the founder of Taoism, which is also known as Yin Yang. He represents nature balance, that if we can balance the nature and our living, we will receive happiness. And the most favorite one there is Confucius. He is the ancient Chinese philosopher and a politician. He represents respect elders, loving others, self-discipline, and humility.
The art of war. Art of war.
The art of?
The art of war.
Confucius, yes.
Oh.
And one of his golden rules that we can interpret. What we do not wish for ourselves, do not do unto others. And next slide there, that is Guan Yin. She is the symbol of kindness, mercy, love, and sympathy. So everyone, these are some of the example only of people who left good things into this world. And here in Thailand, they also have one great example who left good things into this world that I'm going to show you to the next part here. Alright everyone, so this is the last great example that I'm going to show you. So I guess most of us here recognize him, right? Does anyone here not know him?
King number 9.
It's quite popular, no? Or maybe you see in the 1,000 bill for Rama 9. He sacrificed all his life to improve the quality life of Thai people, and His Majesty initiated thousands of development projects aimed at improving sharing for the society and the conservation to achieve the balance of nature and the importance of environment. He also supported every religion equally over 70 years until now. So everyone, these are some of the examples of this world, including the fourth truth of life, which is their life purpose. So what about us? So the fifth truth of life, we are going to explore what is our life purpose. Each of us, we have different life purpose and no one can tell you what is yours or what is mine. However, we just hope that through this story of self-development around the outer columns here will guide us to find our life purpose somehow. So let's start on that column there. That column explains of the concept. Represent to the mother with his son walking away from these people who are using drugs. So if we are surrounded, that if we want to do something good today, do it now. Do it today. Don't wait for tomorrow because maybe... Than those people who choose to take advantage. Rather more seems kind and generous according to their faces, or the saying,
Learning is a treasure that will follow to their owner everywhere. Alright, last example na mo. Actually, woman with a smiling face looking to the other which represents her politeness. Or the saying says there, be careful with your words. Once they are said, they call a sick mother and this means carrying the sick mother who cannot walk. So that one there reminds us of the sacrifices of our parents when we are a kid. So when they got older, it's our paying back time. Alright, last one here. And last one there. Taking care of children, teach them to be a good person and providing education is what the parents are responsible for. And lastly, taking care of partner is a great way to create a warm family. Represent to the wife, providing food to her.
the two opposite sides of the society, the good and bad side. All the inner column there are the good side, and all the outer column here are the bad side. And the reason of establishing the fight there because we wanted to reflect how our society could be.
Ayan na siya. Ang ganda niya, guys. Sanctuary of Truth. Guys, tapos na kaming nakapaglibot sa Sanctuary of Truth dito sa Thailand. Ang ganda niya, guys. Sulit rin naman yung 500 baht na yung entrance fee kasi hanggang 6 PM na siya. At meron kayong tour guide. Mamili lang kayo, pero syempre may oras yun kung English language, Russian, Chinese, yun. Marami siyang mapagpipilian. Depende na lang kung saan kayo nakakaintindi ng salita sa kanilang tour guide. Ayan, ang ganda niyo, guys. Ganda dahil meron kayong tourist guide, include na sa inyong entrance fee na 500 baht. All are made of wood. Ang dami niyang tao, ang dami niyang turista, iba-ibang lahi.
Are we happy one of your group this way? One of your group, please. You guys make a group by group, please. With teacher him in the back, please.
Ayan, palabas na kami.
Just one line, one line.
Guys, palabas na kami. Pero ang dami pa rin papasok. Pero hanggang 6 PM lang mag-close na sila. Kaya buti na lang medyo maaga kami, mga 2 o'clock nandito na kami. Kaya nasulit na rin naman namin dahil ngayon ay 4 o'clock na. Kaya konting oras na lang makapaglibot yung mga nagsisidatingan pa. Nakakapagod nga lang. Pero okay naman siya, sulit naman siya. Ayan, thanks for watching. Bye!